Ever wondered how the right hairstyle can redefine your elegance? Discover simple yet stunning looks that transform your shine and style effortlessly. Shiny, straight hair can be yours with just a bit of care and the right tools. The low bun combines ease and elegance, making it a chic yet quick everyday hairstyle. A sleek ponytail brings not only style, but also keeps you effortlessly cool during hotter days. A fringe hairstyle adds a lively touch that frames your face beautifully. The short bob is a timeless classic offering bounce and a nod to vintage charm. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.